Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like the content, drop a subscribe. Today we're going to do a very long and overdue PR haul. Some of these I have unboxed already before, so I know what's in them, but I wanted to do it for you guys so you could see what I've recently been sent, because it's honestly like a dream. It's like Christmas every day and I couldn't do it without you guys, so let's roll into it. Next to me, I honestly have, I'm hoping I don't drop it. This is not even all of it because it's not all fitting in shot. I have a mountain to get through, so I'm just going to start with the top. Kicking us off, we have a parcel from Wild. This is their refillable roll-on deodorant, which is no white marks, 24-hour protection, 95% natural origin. And this is such a pretty case, but this is the Emma Bridgewater, I believe, but it's the B case, and this is just gorgeous. Comes with a little refill because obviously everything is sustainable, refillable, and it's about as little waste as possible into nature. So I'm guessing you just open it up and then pop it in. Not too sure. I need to read the instructions, otherwise I'll probably mess this up. But let's give it a little smell. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, that's cherry blossom, and let me tell you, that is now one of my favourite scents. That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Wild. I do have a 20% off code for them, so if you were wanting to try make the sustainable switch today, then it will be in the description below. Next is a really exciting one. It is from Beauty Bay. This is their new Dark Lights palettes and also their shimmer sticks. I have been sent 2 of these, so I'm going to gently open this to show you, but this will be actually entered into a giveaway for you lovely people. I just am yet to put the giveaway together, but this is the outer packaging. Look how gorgeous that is. Let me try. Just look at them shimmers. Like, their shimmers already are absolutely gorgeous, but this is just like the cherry on the cake. And obviously they sent across their bouncy beams. These are the stick trios. These I'm excited to try. I haven't tried them yet. If you know me, you know I love a glitter stick. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna try and get the others open and then I'll swatch them. This one is, oh, a nice pearly iridescent. And I'm gonna guess, before looking at this, is a gold. I'm pretty sure it's a gold. It's a bronzy gold. Very dodgily showing you. These are the shades. I'm gonna do a little swatch of them. Oh, they're like wet. That is such a nice feeling. Wow. They are gorgeous. Like, just put that all over me. Like, that on the entire eye. Yes, please. Yeah. I feel like Beauty Bay just slay every time. I don't think they've actually released a palette or an eye product that I've gone, no, don't like that. No, I love everything. Next up is my favourite. It's Lush. This is their, I want to say it's their new shampoo and conditioner. I haven't even opened it. Let me find something. Okay, I finally opened it. Very painfully. This is their new, probably not new to current day, but their new Super Milk shampoo and conditioner. They are the fan favourites, because obviously if you know Lush, you know it's their hair priming conditioner spray, but they have recently brought them out in actual shampoo and conditioners. So these are really exciting. I do love the spray, so I wonder if it does have like the same, yeah, it has the same scent. But yeah, thank you so much, Lush. I actually got these via the Friends of Lush ambassador program, so I'll leave the links below because anyone can sign up if you have the right criteria. Just check the description, it will be there. This one, I couldn't even believe it when they reached out to me because NARS know who I am. Okay, this was back in October. They said, this is Halloween. NARS invites you to indulge in the arts of transformation. Please find enclosed a selection of products crafted to elevate every look from mysterious to mesmerising. Look how many things they gave me. I was expecting like 2 things. I haven't actually unboxed any of these to look at what they are, so let's do that together because I still can't believe I've got these. Starting off, it's quite a big box. This is the NARS Climax Liquid Eyeliner. How big is this eyeliner for it to be in this box? Oh. Feels almost over packaged for this. But, ooh, that is a sharp eyeliner. Okay. Quite excited to give that a try because I have a Ride and Die eyeliner and that's NYX, so I wonder if this can compete. An eyeshadow stick. Let's see what this looks like. I don't even know which colours they are. Oh, okay. So it's a pitch black, basically. We have the soft matte primer. I actually am wearing NARS foundation on today. I think it's the Radiance or Radiant one. Not giving me much to go off of here. Ooh. Let's have a little feel. Oh, it's nice. It's like moisturizing. Okay, I think I'm gonna love this. This is quite a nice feeling primer. Next we have one of the iconic blushes in, obviously, if it will focus. I actually don't have this blush, I think. Ooh, it's quite a pretty shade. It's quite peachy. I thought it'd be a bit more pink, but no, that's like a beautiful light blushed pink. Last two, we have the Afterglow liquid blush and then also an explicit lipstick. These are in an O Rush and Exposed. I don't want to say the words because I don't know how strict YouTube is with these. Ooh, I haven't seen this packaging before. Is it twist? Okay. Is it a red? Ooh, that's quite a nice... Wow, okay. I thought that would be... For a blush? That's quite deep for a blush. I need to give that a try ASAP to see what it looks like on. This lipstick feels so nice. I love a frosted packaging. But it's like a nude brown. That's gorgeous. That with like a deeper lip liner. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Thank you so much, NARS, for the goodies. I will be doing a video very soon with them and doing first impressions. These shades though, gorgeous. Love them already. This has already featured on my other socials, but I thought I'd unbox it on here as well because this in itself is insane. So Garnier basically, via the L'Oreal program, gave a few creators the opportunity to shop in a virtual shopping experience, and I got to pick out some of my cult favourites, and they are the Garnier spot patches. Honestly, what do they put in these? Because these will suck out pimple immediately. We have a Garnier face mask. This is the pomegranate one, but these honestly hydrate the skin so much. This, yeah, holy grail, especially back in like high school when we'd all have them in like our sleepovers. Again, a micellar water because I go through this so fast and you can never have too much. Last but not least, we have a hair mask. This is the pineapple one. This is for like doll hair because my hair needs a little reviving. And alongside the products, we got to pick an item of merch. It was like a headband, a gua sha, and then clips. So I chose the clips because if you know me, I love wearing these all day, every day. So these were essential. Thank you so much, Garnier and L'Oreal, because this is just insane. Like, little old me being able to do a shopping spree with Garnier, the brand that I've used since I was like 11. That is surreal to me. This hefty box has come all the way from Korea because I've got some Korean skincare. These are the Mediheal toner pads, I think. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 toning pads. These are insane. Let me put them down and go through each one with you. And off we have a little info card. and it's essentially saying that Mediheal is now available at Boots, so that's exciting. I will link down below every product just so you can like have a bit of browse yourself. And a pad for every skin concern. So let's have a look. The pink one. These are collagen ampule pads. They're for day and night. That you get 100 in each pack, so that's quite good value. This is for firming and nourishing the skin, so that sounds really nice. This one is the Made Casoside. I don't know how to pronounce this because it's a long word, but this is a blemish pad and this is for day and night as well. This is for soothing and skin toning. This sounds like a bit me because I have problematic skin. This needs to get rid of my blemishes immediately. I also want to say they're huge, by the way. This is actually the size of the pads, and then it comes with little tweezers, so you don't even need to touch them. Love a bit of hygiene. Next is a photoenzyme peeling pad. This is for pore tightening and smoothing. So this sounds really good because I'm guessing it's just very exfoliating, and I'm actually going to give all of these a try on different areas of my face to see if they actually do what it says on the tin. Last but not least, we have a vitamin brightening pad. Obviously, we all know what that means. It's essentially going to be probably about vitamin C to rejuvenate and brighten the skin. It's exactly what it says on there. Thank you so much, Mediheal. I'm going to give this one an open, if I can find my trusty scissors, and I'm going to show you what the product actually looks like inside. Reusable packaging. Okay, sustainable. We love that. These are huge. Okay, I was not actually expecting it. So in the top you get the tweezers, and then you've got the seal. But they're the pads. I'm gonna properly tidy that up later, but let's try and see if I can grab one. Ooh. So they're quite fine, and then I can see quite a textured like stitching. Like it's kind of like a cross pattern, which I don't think will pick up on camera, but they look like they'll do the job because they're very fine, and yeah. I have a lot of trust in these. We'll do a review soon. One thing about me is I take my hair care incredibly serious, so I like to invest in my hair. Redken have sent me this incredible package. It includes their ABC range. So the ABC range is essentially for damaged hair, I think. Let me just read what it says. Intense conditioning, fortifying, optimized for colour and hair, acidic bonding concentrate. This is essentially what I learnt from the event the other day, is good for repairing the hair. It's not protein based, so you can use it every day. The main star of the show is their leave-in treatment with the no fry blow dry. Isn't just a technique, it's a fail-safe protocol verified by Redken professionals that doesn't just prevent damage, it contains a formula to repair the hair from inside out. That sounds a bit of me. So that is this little buddy. They also have a serum, which I saw in person, and that is on my Christmas list because the serum is apparently meant to be the holy grail. But this, I just love the packaging. I'm just looking at the reflex. I'm going to give this a little go for the next few weeks and let you guys know if it actually does what it says on the tin, because my hair needs a bit more TLC right now. I just want to say a massive thank you to all the brands that believe in me, who trust me enough to send me this PR, because it is very much appreciated. What I'll do is I'll link everything below if you wanted to check out any products or any of the ambassador sites, because I'm not going to gatekeep, I'm a girl's girl. Look below if you want to start your creator journey with these brands. Once again, I'm going to say if you enjoyed this content, drop a subscribe, drop a like, comment below if you want to see anything in particular, or if you have any questions about how I received this PR, because this is just a normal month for me apparently, and that's insane. And I will see you guys at the next one.